Next example 5. Also numericals. Question is 120 centimeter cube of a gas is taken at 27.3 Kelvin. The temperature is then raised to 0 degrees Celsius. What is the new volume of the gas? Okay, first given data you write 120 centimeter cube of a gas means this is your V1 is equal to 120 centimeter cube. Taken at temperature T1, initially it is 27.3 Kelvin. So this is T1 is equal to 27.3 Kelvin. So the initial case, the temperature is in Kelvin, no doubt. The temperature is then raised to 0 degrees Celsius. So in your case 2, the temperature is first what they have given you, right? 0 degrees Celsius, which is equal to degrees Celsius. You convert into Kelvin. How? To add 273. So 0 plus 273 will become 273 Kelvin. Do you understand, children? What is the volume of the gas? So case 2, V2, you have to calculate. So this is your case 1. This is your case 2. What we know is, according to Charles' law, what we know, children? V1 over T1 is equal to V2 over T2. Na? Volume of a gas. Okay. Gas means you have to say fixed mass of a dry gas is how it is directly proportional to the absolute temperatures. That's why we have converted the temperature in absolute scale, Kelvin scale. Okay. Now we have to take the subject as V2. This is the unknown which we have to find out. Keep the V2 there and rearrange. That is, therefore V2 is equal to V1 by T1 into this T2 cross multiply over T2. Then substitute, get the answer. There is one important factor to say. First you substitute and get the answer, then I'll tell you. V1 is 120, T2 is 273, and T1 is 27.3. Because author also, board also, teachers also always give you such values जो cut हो सकता है. 27.3 and 273, when you cut, you get 10 in the numerator, children.
Ma'am.
You have difficulty, what you do is 120 into 273, and 27.3 means what is the meaning of a 27.3, children? 273 by 10. This is what is the meaning, you know. This 10 goes up, isn't it? 120 into 273 divided by 273. Now that 10 which went up will come here. Now you can got to know 120 into 10. What you're getting now? V2, it is 1200. Initially it was centimeter cube. So here also it will be centimeter cube. Is it okay, children? So the new volume is equal to 1200 centimeter cube. Next example. Example number 5. This was example 5. We want to do example number 6. Sorry. At what temperature, you are asked to find a temperature, will 500 centimeter cube of a gas measured at 20 degrees Celsius occupy half its volume? Therefore, related values are given. So first of all, 500 centimeter cube of a gas is the volume. V1 is equal to 500 centimeter cube. This is your case 1. Case 1, volume is this, and temperature measured is 20 degrees Celsius. They are saying T1 is equal to, first you write 20 degrees Celsius, which is equal to, you write the Kelvin. What is 20 degrees Celsius equal to how many Kelvin, children? 293 Kelvin, 273 plus 20 है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
93 Kelvin. Okay, case 2 में what you need to do? What you're asked to do? You have to find the temperature. T2 you have to find out. What is the temperature? At what temperature will 500 centigrade of gas measured at 20 degrees Celsius occupy half its volume? So what about the V2? V2 is equal to half of V1. That's what's the meaning. So half of, instead of writing V1, we can write what is V1. That is 500. Is it okay, children? Which is equal to 250 centimeter cube. Yes. No, you will write a
Yes, ma'am.
Charles law. V1 over T1 is equal to V2 over T2. We have to find out T2 as a subject. T2 is to find, so keep this as a subject. When you're keeping this as a subject, this has to be taken to the left side, no? So I bring the T2 to the left hand side, that is T2 equal to. I have to remove the V1 and T1 from here. V2 was already there, and V1 will come to divide, and T1 will go to multiply. Is it okay, children? Substitute. V2 is 250 into T1, 293. We have to write the Kelvin value. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
T1 is 500. Here also 500 or 250 directly cut ho jata hai. This is 2. 2 times 250 is 500. 293 divided by 2. Then it's coming 146.5. What is the unit? This unit is Kelvin. Because we did it in Kelvin, we use Kelvin. What you got now is Kelvin. The T2 is equal to Kelvin answer you have got. Yes or no, children? But
Yes,
we
ma'am.
cannot leave it in Kelvin because the question they gave in degrees Celsius. So even if you have to convert and do the solution in Kelvin, now you reconvert the T2 is equal to degree Celsius. Reconvert karna hai. Do you understand? If the question is given in degree Celsius, then bring back the answer in degree Celsius. Follow?
Yes, ma'am.
So how will you do? 146.5 Kelvin, you have to make into degree Celsius. What is to be written then? 146.5. You have to do minus 273. Now, this is the same case, smaller and bigger. If you do so, what you have to put? First, the negative sign you put, then find the difference. Yes or no? So, in solution, you will get 23 minus 146.5. Either karo, either 0.0 karo. Then you find out. Is it okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Solve and get the answer. Minus 126.5. Because it's there in the book, so
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
doing it. Okay, but method I was showing you. 1 minus 126.5 degrees Celsius. Now carefully look at in the examination, such a question comes, and that is for 3 marks, suppose. If you have done till here, this is correct, this also is correct, then you will get 3. But if you have not done this conversion, यहाँ पे आपने रोक दिया, you will get only 2 marks. Do you follow?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Careful about what is to do, when is to do. When is the conversion needed, that you clearly understand. Negative numbers, the addition, subtraction, be very clear also. Okay, children. Example number 7. Now, you do, children, whether you understand or should I help or not. Now you will do example 7, example 8, and if anywhere you are held up, you can see the solution is there. Yes or no? Followed by numericals, page 122. numericals based on Charles law. There are 8 questions, out of which first question is done already, that is conversion. 2 onwards try karo. Try me, you should try as homework, and tomorrow if you have doubts only I will take. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
you can continue doing, no problem. 7th onwards.
Ma'am, have you recorded yesterday's class?
बेटे yesterday शायद नहीं है मेरे ख्याल से. Yesterday हमने हमारा बड़ा problem था in the network and all. Hardly that
Okay.
graph portion we did. Sargun also had problem. Even mine was,
Okay.
I could hear properly and the communication was not fine yesterday.
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Should I send you the message for the homework or you will do?
Ma'am, we can do.
Okay, definitely do. Can I stop then?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then.